Hi, today I'll be giving you an in-depth review of the Atlas credit card. If you're new to credit or tired of traditional credit card hoops, this card might just be what you're looking for. Stick with me as we break down everything you need to know about the Atlas credit card, its features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and whether it's worth it in 2024. Let's dive right in. Let's start with an extended overview of what makes the Atlas credit card unique. This card is specifically designed for individuals who may lack an extensive credit history or are just starting their credit journey. Atlas advertises an impressive 0% APR. Yes, that means no interest charges. You can use the card without worrying about accumulating debt, which is perfect for responsible spending or budgeting. Another standout feature is its incredibly high approval rate. According to Atlas, traditional credit cards approve only about 20% of applicants who lack credit history. In contrast, Atlas boasts a rate that's over 4 times higher. That makes it a game changer for people who might struggle to get approved elsewhere. But the benefits don't stop at just accessibility. With Atlas, you can enjoy safe spending limits that grow with you over time, meaning your credit limit increases as you demonstrate responsible use. It's a card that's built to grow alongside your financial journey. Atlas also makes it easy to build credits. Your account activity is reported to all 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, helping you establish or improve your credit score. This feature alone can set you up for future financial success. And for peace of mind, your account is backed by trusted financial institutions like Patriot Bank, Academy Bank, and Evolve Bank and Trust. Atlas itself is the lender of record, ensuring your funds and payments are secure with regular audits and industry best practices. Now let us talk about the main features of the Atlas credit card. 0% APR. Unlike traditional cards that often charge 20% or more, Atlas charges 0 interest. High approval rates. It is perfect for those new to credit or rebuilding their financial standing. Spending limits that grow. By verifying your income or making a deposit, you can unlock higher limits over time. Cashback rewards. You can earn up to 3% cashback on categories like gas, food delivery, and coffee shops, and up to 5% back on subscriptions like Netflix and Hulu. And here's the kicker. Atlas offers up to 10% cashback at over 50,000 stores and even up to 100% cashback on lucky swipes. Bill negotiation. Save on phone, internet, and insurance bills. Virtual cards. Easily cancel subscriptions with one click, which is perfect for avoiding forgotten charges. Fraud protection. Built-in liability and security measures keep your account safe. Now let us talk about the pricing of the Atlas credit card. The Atlas credit card has no interest charges thanks to its 0% APR policy. However, there may be an annual or service fee depending on your card type, so it's worth double checking during the application process. One important point is this. If you opt to verify your income or make a security deposit for higher limits, consider this an investment in your credit growth. Unlike prepaid cards, you'll be building your credit history while enjoying these enhanced features. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using the Atlas credit card. First, we talk about the pros. No credit history required. This is perfect for newcomers. High approval rates. It is far above industry norms. Generous rewards. Up to 10% cashback and even 100% on lucky swipes. Safe and flexible spending. The limits grow as you do. Credit building. Reports to all 3 major bureaus. How about the cons? Limited global recognition. While MasterCard is widely accepted, this card may lack features like no foreign transaction fees for international travelers. Potential annual fees. It is good to check the fine print during the application process to know if any annual fees apply. Dependent on usage. Rewards and spending limit growth depend heavily on responsible usage and account activity. So here's the big question to consider. Is the Atlas credit card worth it in 2024? Well, the answer depends on what you're looking for in a credit card. Let's take a moment to break this down based on the key features that we've discussed and the current financial landscape. This card is a standout option for anyone who's new to credit or has a limited credit history. If you have faced rejections from traditional credit card issuers, Atlas could be your ticket to building a solid financial foundation. Its high approval rates mean you're more likely to get approved, and the fact that there is no hard credit pull during the application process means you wouldn't risk a ding to your credit score just before applying. The Atlas credit card offers a 0% APR, which is rare in today's credit card markets, and that makes it especially attractive to those who want to manage their spending responsibly without worrying about interest charges piling up. But of course, this card is not perfect for everyone. If you're someone who frequently travels internationally, you may find the lack of features like no foreign transaction fees or travel insurance limiting. Also, while the rewards program is great, it is most beneficial for everyday purchases rather than premium travel or luxury spending. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Petal 2 Visa Credit Card, Discover Rate Secured Card, and Chime Credit Builder Visa. That wraps up our deep dive into the Atlas credit card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.